Looking to stay updated with the latest news right from your desktop? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find and join top news channels on Telegram, so you can get headlines, updates, and in-depth stories delivered straight to your chat list. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily discover, browse, and subscribe to major news sources like the New York Times, BBC, Reuters, and more, all within Telegram. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app open and logged in. Now, the very first step is to locate the search feature. Look for the little magnifying glass icon at the top of your Telegram window. Clicking this opens up a search bar. It might seem simple, but this search is your gateway to thousands of public channels, including countless reputable news sources. Here's an important tip: when you type in a search term, you'll want to be specific about the type of news you're looking for. For example, you could enter world news, tech updates, or the name of a publication you trust like The Guardian or CNN. If your goal is the latest international headlines, try searching for breaking news or global news. Don't worry if you're not sure what to type. Telegram will suggest popular channels related to what you enter, so you can explore as you go. Once you enter your keywords, pay attention to what Telegram displays. You might see a mix of users, groups, and channels. To streamline things, look for a channels filter. If your version of Telegram shows this as a separate tab or drop-down, click on it. This filter helps ensure you're only seeing public news channels rather than private groups or chat contacts. But if you don't see those filtering options, no problem. You can simply scroll through the search results and watch for those channels with official-looking names and logos. Trusted news outlets usually have a recognizable logo and sometimes a verified checkmark, so keep an eye out for those signs. Next, let's talk about browsing before you join. This is a step many people skip, but it's really valuable. Click on the title of a channel to open up a preview. Telegram lets you scroll through recent posts so you can judge the quality, frequency, and style of updates. Maybe you want concise headlines, or perhaps you're looking for detailed articles and links. Feel free to look through several channels before you decide. This previewing process is like browsing through a magazine before buying it. It helps you find something that matches your interests and preferences. Ready to subscribe? Simply click the Join button at the bottom of the channel window. The channel will immediately show up in your main chat list. Don't worry if you accidentally join the wrong one. Leaving a channel is just as easy, and you can always join more later. There's no limit, so you can mix and match a few to compare updates. For example, you might follow the New York Times for US-focused news, BBC News for an international perspective, or Reuters for a more financial or business angle. And that's all there is to it. In just a couple of clicks, you can turn Telegram into your personalized news hub, always up to date with stories that matter to you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions or recommendations for great news channels, let everyone know in the comments. And for more simple tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching and happy reading.